Hey friends, if you wish to connect to a Wi-Fi network in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now the easiest method is as follows. Click on the system tray here, select the available networks, click on the relevant network, select connect automatically whether you want it or not, it's up to you, and then enter the password and it will connect. I'll show you for one more network. Just enter the password. And that's it, it will connect. But in case you don't find this option here, then right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab, select Wi-Fi, and then you'll find the option for show available networks, and you can select the network that you want and connect to it. But this is in like those 1% cases when you don't find it in the system tray. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.